tried putting on a new screen because I feel like I can't do it. But this kit comes with everything you need to do it, and it walks you through it step by step, which is what I need desperately. So let's do it. So as you can see, there are very clear instructions with pictures, which comes in handy. Look at all those cracks. That was literally so easy. And not only that, but when I inevitably crack my phone again, it comes with another one. Click the yellow card to get yours and get rid of that nasty cracked phone case.